So good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I am going to discuss NCERT line to line question, and let's start with the chapter electric charge and fields. So the first question is, when we take off our synthetic clothes in winter, then first question is we see a spark, second is we hear a crackle, third is both, fourth is none. So both will be correct, as we see a spark and we hear a crackle. Second question is lightning is an example of. So lightning is an example of electric discharge, so first option is correct. Next is a sensation of electric shock while opening the door of a car or bus after sliding is due to electric discharge or nuclear discharge. So first is correct over here. Next is electric current discharges through our body due to accumulation of charges due to rubbing off. So this gets stored because of rubbing of insulating surfaces. Here one thing is important, that if surfaces are conducting, then charges will leak through the body. So we will not feel that sensation. So sensations are only felt when charge is stored. So it's possible on the insulating surfaces. So first is correct over here. Next is electric current discharges through our body due to generation of. So this is due to generation of static electricity. So first option is correct over here. Next is static means anything that does not move with time, does not change with time, or both. So static means that does not move or does not change with time. So third will be correct over here. Next is electrostatics deals with the study of. So it deals with forces, fields and potential. So 4 will be correct over here. Next is the credit for discovery of the fact that amber rubbed with wool or silk attract light object goes to. So this goes to the scientist Thales of Miletus. So first option is correct over here. Next is Thales of Miletus belongs to. So he was from Greece. Next is during what time it was discovered that amber rubbed with wool attract light objects. So it was around 600 BC. So third option is correct over here. Next is electricity is coined from. So it is coined from the Greek word electron. So first is correct over here. Next is on bringing iron pieces of papers near TV screen. So obviously it gets attracted because on ironing surfaces become hot and it induces certain charges. Charges are induced, and because of the induced charges on the TV screen there is an electrostatic attraction, so it gets attracted. So first is correct over here. Next is in the above question, the piece of papers gets attracted to screen only once and remains stuck to the screen. So here second option is correct because it remains stuck to the screen for a while. Next is when two glass rods rubbed with wool or silk are brought close together, they. So obviously they attract each other because of rubbing, charges are induced and they attract each other. So first is correct over here. Sorry, two glasses rod. So charges will be induced on the glass rods, and since like charges repel each other, so they will repel. Second will be correct over here. Next is in the above question, two strands of wool or silk. Obviously opposite charge will be induced on wool and silk, opposite to that of glass rod. So charge on wool or silk will be of same nature and they will also repel each other. So second will be correct over here. Next is in the above question, glass rod and wool shows. So obviously charges are different on glass rod or wool and silk. So opposite charges attract each other. So there will be attraction, and first one will be correct. Next is two plastic rod rubbed with cat's fur shows. So they will also show repulsion, because when plastic rods are rubbed with cat's fur, then charges will be induced on them, and since charges are of same nature, so they will repel each other, so repulsion will be there. Next is in the above question, plastic rod repelled the fur or attracted the fur, so certainly charges will be opposite, so they will attract the fur. So second option will be correct over here. Next is in the above question, plastic rod and glass rod showed. So charges are opposite on plastic rod and glass rod, so they will attract each other. So first one will be correct. Next is in the above question, plastic rod and wood or silk shot. So charges will be of same nature on plastic rod and wood or silk, so they will repel each other. So second will be correct over here. Next is, if a plastic rod rubbed with fur is made to touch two small pith balls, then they will show. So certainly they will acquire the same charges of same nature, so they will repel each other, hence second will be correct over here. Next is, in the above question, plastic rod and pith ball shows. So charges will be of same nature on plastic rod and pith balls, so they will also repel each other. Next is, a pith ball is touched with glass rod and another pith ball is touched with plastic rod, then these ball will show. So since charges on glass rod and plastic rod are different, on the glass rod there is positive charge, on plastic there is negative. So charges on the pith balls will be opposite and hence they will show attraction. So first one will be correct over here. Next is, the above mentioned facts were observed in a day, in week, in months or in years. So it requires months of even years of experiments. So fourth is correct over here. Next is, the experiments on pith ball suggested. So on the basis of the experiments, we can conclude that there are two type of charges, because either they attract each other or either they repel each other. So first is correct over here. Next is, in the above problem, cause of attraction and repulsion is. So the cause of attraction and repulsion is the electrification in the process. Next is, when glass rod is rubbed with silk, then both get same type of charges, both get different type of charges. So in rubbing both gets different type of charges, so second is correct. Next is like charges. So like charges repel each other, first one is correct over here. Next is, the property which differentiates the two type of charges is called. So it is called the polarity. So first is correct. Next is, if electrified glass rod is brought in contact with silk, then they still attract each other, they no longer attract each other, both or none. So when they are brought in contact, then again charge which was acquired by them again gets transferred, because positive and negative charge attract each other, so they neutralizes each other and hence they no longer attract each other. So second is correct over here. Next is, in the above question, the glass rod after in contact with silk attract light objects, do not attract light objects. So since glass rod has lost its property, its charge, then it do not attract light object. Next is, the charge acquired by bodies after rubbing get lost when they are made in contact, so it's the first one is correct. Next is, charge acquired by rubbing bodies on contact after rubbing neutralizes each other, do not neutralizes each other. So they neutralizes each other because after touching they no longer attract each other, so that means they have been neutralized. Next is, charge are named negative and positive because, so they are named negative and positive because they nullify each other.